Hi my powerful beauties, I'm Lightning Lioness, welcome back to my channel. Every individual has scars and imperfections, and it's normal, and it's part of being a human. Having crystal clear skin is not a compulsory standard of beauty. But if it's your wish to have a clear skin, then I will help you. 'Cause anything that we want and can imagine, is possible, remember that. All the information that I'm going to give you in this video, is from my personal experience. So let's start. Firstly, I want to tell you that there are 3 categories of acne according to me. First is age, and the age bracket is 14 to 25 years of age. Second is skin type, in that we have sensitive and oily skin. And third is hormonal factors, which include stress and periods. All the solutions in this video will help you with all these 3 cases. Starting with your basic face cleaning habit, using a mild cleanser always help immensely with acne conditions. In this case I'll recommend 2 cleansers, one is Cetaphil, and other is carbon-based face wash from Patanjali. These are very mild, and works best with acne-prone skin, helps in reducing redness and further inflammation. This is not a sponsored video, as you can see I don't have many subscribers yet, to get sponsored. Next I'll recommend this. This is a very powerful face mask, but you have to give it 3 months to show its magic. And one more thing, it smells awful, so please you have to suffer in that department, and you have to keep it for up to 2 hours. So better use it at night time. Now a cream, to work all day and night, on your skin, which is, my favorite, Patanjalibeautycream. Many people think it's heavy and didn't suits them, then please don't use it. But it has proved to be a miracle product for me, it shrinks pores and soothes the skin. Now I'm going to give you a very excellent remedy, to shrink acne, an all-round solution for pimples. It is cloves, yes, cloves works like charm on acne. You can use clove oil on acne, or clove mask on the infected area, but please mix it with aloe vera, or fuller's earth or sandalwood, as it itches and cause some pain while treating the acne, and do a patch test on your skin before applying it all over. Now comes a surprise tip. After using this last tip for 1 month, you will be amazed to see yourself, but it is very difficult to do.
Kayakalp Kwat?
This powerful, miracle and magical drink, oh my god, can make your skin like crystal. It gives you glow like a bulb, but, it is bitter than neem juice, bitter than bitter god, so if have guts to drink it please do try it. And last tip is try using satin pillow cases, it helps keeping skin away from friction. So this was all. If you liked this video please like and subscribe to my channel. Till then take care.